Don't trip on pronouns. Mastering relative clauses in English. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an essential part of English grammar: relative clauses. More importantly, we'll focus on one of the most common stumbling blocks: misusing relative pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use relative pronouns like a pro. Before we delve into the common mistakes, let's remind ourselves what relative pronouns are. Relative pronouns, which include who, whom, whose, which, that, and sometimes where and when, are used to introduce relative clauses. These clauses add extra information to a sentence, making it more detailed and rich. Mistake 1. Wrong pronoun for the subject. One of the most frequent errors is using the wrong pronoun for the subject. For instance, using which for people or who for things. Remember, who and whom are for people, which is for things, and that can be used for both. Incorrect. The man which helped me is my teacher. Correct. The man who helped me is my teacher. Mistake 2. Confusing who and whom. Another common mistake is confusing who and whom. Who is a subject pronoun, like he, she, we, etc. Whom is an object pronoun, like him, her, us, etc. Incorrect. The woman to whom I gave the book is my friend. Correct. The woman to whom I gave the book is my friend. Mistake 3. Misplacing the relative clause. A misplaced relative clause can make a sentence very confusing. Ensure that the relative clause directly follows the noun it's modifying. Incorrect. I saw a man walking his dog in the park, who was wearing a red jacket. Correct. I saw a man who was wearing a red jacket walking his dog in the park. The best way to master relative pronouns is by practice. Try converting simple sentences into complex ones using relative clauses. Example: the book is on the table. The book belongs to John. Practice: the book that is on the table belongs to John. Great job, everyone! Remember, mistakes are a natural part of learning. With practice, you'll gain confidence and precision in using relative clauses and pronouns. Keep practicing, stay patient, and soon enough, you'll master the use of relative pronouns in English.